Come on, everybody respond. Come on, everybody respond. Come in. So here in the last session, already we completed. What was the concept completed already, students? Set operations, right? So are you perfect in set operations, all of you? Right. So stand up once. Last but one. Tell me some set functions. Button bit ko. Be like a professional all the times. Don't fold the hands. Set functions. Don't see the chat box, okay? Hmm? Union of. Come on, first function. Unique of. NumPy dot unique of. Next, silence all of you. NumPy dot set. NumPy dot set union 1D of. Very good. Right or wrong? Wrong. What is the correct? NumPy dot union 1D of. Right. Go. You look at the class. Close your laptop. Look at. After that you do it. Okay. Listen. Next. NP dot intersect 1D of. Right or wrong? You also don't know. Right or wrong? Right. Good. Next. NP dot diff 1D of. Right or wrong? What is that? Set diff 1D of. Next. NP dot set XOR 1D of. Right or wrong? Right. So next, anything else? That's all. So 2 you said correct. 3 you said wrong. So you got how many marks? -1 you got it. Out of 5, you said 2 correct. 3 wrong. Okay? No problem. All the best. Next time. So girls, perfect. Perfect kada? Perfect or not? Previous class. Mic పంపియాలా mana? Shall I send you mic here? Shall I send you mic? No? మీరు ఏం పలకరు ఏం చేయరు అట్లా కూర్చొని ఉంటారు. బాయ్స్ ఆర్ యూ ఓకే? లైక్ దట్ అట్లా మాట్లాడాలి. గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ యూ ఓకే? ఓకే. మూవ్ టు దట్. వాళ్ళకున్న భయం వాళ్ళకు ఉంటుంది. దే హ్యావ్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఫియర్ బికాస్ దే విల్ థింక్ మోర్ దాన్ అస్. దే విల్ థింక్ మోర్ దాన్ అస్ జనరలీ. So are you perfect means if they say yes, sir will ask questions why all these things. But you say what? Are you perfect? Yes, you'll say without thinking anything. But they will think more than what you think. Correct? Okay. Anyhow, huh? So now coming to point back to our example. Back to our example. So today's topics. Today topics I will go for it. So what is that yesterday's which I summarized? One is called what? Summation. Next is what? One more. NumPy. One more is I will go for next NumPy what? Product. NumPy product. Next NumPy decimals. NumPy decimals. Next is called what? NumPy arithmetic. So this I want to complete it. And if time permits, I'll go to the NumPy files also. NumPy files also. That is called .npy files are there. .npy files, which is added to the NumPy recently. That is the NumPy Python files we can call. Right? So let us move to the summation. I will go for it. There are 2 functions are available. 3 functions are available. One is the add function, which we already discussed it. One more is called what? Sum function. One more is called what? Cumsum. Cumsum. That is called cumulative sum. This is related to the NumPy related summation. We'll talk about it. Similarly, in the product also, will have what? Multiply. One more is called what? Students, product of PROD. PROD is a very important. One more is called what? Cumulative product. This is one more kind of product related. And in the decimals, you have already I mentioned it last class only. What are those? Trunc or what? Fix or fix. This is called one function. Next is called what? Around of. Next is called what I said? Floor of. Floor of. Next is called what? Seal off. Seal off. Next is okay. That's all. That's all. These are the functions what we have. Next, I will go to arithmetic. Majority of the functions I already covered. There's some extra functions are there. Div mod, division plus mod. Coefficients will come plus remainders will come. One more is called absolute. Absolute value will be coming. Absolute value. There will have add, multiply, everything will be coming. So let me go for quickly. These things I want to complete it. Go for what? NumPy summation. I will go for it. So with an example only, I want to tell you. Let's go. So this place, try to understand. Online students, start here. What is the use of function called add? Come on, respond all of you. What is the use of function called add? Which will add? Like that you need to answer. Huh? Add will give you element wise addition. Element wise addition. Already I was explained it. Element wise addition. Already explained or not? Add, multiply, divide, floor underscore divide, matmul dot mod, power of, floor underscore divide. Explained or not? So here I'm going to enter into NumPy. What operation this is? Summation here. So let's go to this place. So I'll take the data. A is equal to import first of all. Import NumPy as NP. A is equal to NP dot array of. I'm going to take it. 1, 2, 3. I'm taking 1, 2, 3. I'm taking. Next, B is equal to NP dot array of. I'm taking one more thing called 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm taking it. Try to follow. Here I'm going to write it. C is equal to np dot. What is the function name? Add of. A comma B. I am writing it. So here I am writing it. Content of A, students. Content of A. There I am writing A here. Content of B. Come on, answer. Tell me. Already completed that. B here. Content of B. So which is going to be called what? Content of C. That is called addition of A and B. A and B. So that is will write it C. What is the answer? Element wise addition. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. This is called 2, 4, 6. You know that? Yes. Now I'll go to the next one. One more I will take it. One more I will take it, students. Just try to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write it. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. Dot reshape of what? 2 comma 2. So there I'm going to write addition of. So you are going to get element wise addition. Already you know this. Already we know. That is 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is called 4. Already this was explained it. 3 plus 3 is called what? 6. And 4 plus 4 is called what? 8. This is called element wise addition. Even you can do with plus operator also you can do. All those things I said. Matrix operation or plus operation you can do. Today our main concern is about what? Sum. Add function already you know. Sum function we are going to apply. Even in general awareness also, sum is different from add. Sum is for element wise addition, add is for element wise addition will be coming. Adding of two values simply. Adding of two values. See the syntax also very, very important. Go to the next summation I'm going to apply. This part I'm going to apply. Here what? Sum I'm going to apply. Here I'm going to write sum. Sum of. You cannot write something like that. You have to write it. You have to write it like this. You have to write like this. Are you following me? End array objects, you need to write like this. How it is going to be taken? It will add all the elements of first array, all the elements of first array. What are the elements of first array? 6. And all the elements of second array, that is called what? 6. This is called what? Summation. Summation means group of values addition. Is called what? 6. And this group of values also called 6. So that will be the content of it. This is called summation of. Summation of. So summation of A and B. Here sum of. How I am writing, you see? It within the square bracket, I am writing AB. And see the answer of it. Okay. So, okay, 1 minute, students. This result plus this result, both of them are combined together. That is called what? Summation here. Now, I will be writing summation of, I wrote it here. And access concept is going to come once again here. Access concept. I'm going to apply what? Access concept. Follow me. Here I am writing access is equal to, here I am writing access is equal to, access is equal to 0. I am writing it. Just to try to observe it. What is an access? 246. What is the 246 here? What is the 246 answer is? So this is called one array 1, 2, 3. This is called 1, 2, 3. This is also called what? 1, 2, 3. What is this answer is going to say? This one, and this is going to be taken here. That is called 246. That is called one kind of sum. And next one more summation I will apply it. Access is equal to what? 1 I will write it. 1 I am going to write it. So you'll get the previous answer. What was our previous answer? This one. This one. What is the answer? I was explained it. This is nothing but this will give you what? Row. It is called row. 1, 2, 3 is called what? 6. This row is called what is the values again here? 6. And this axis is very much important in every topic that is having different mechanism is following. So during the library development, they went something like this. I think you are following me. So sum is going to have different parameters here. So when I did the sum of this entire things, it is having the sum of these elements plus the sum of these elements combined together is giving 12. And when I go to displace access is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is called 1, 2. This is called a 2. 2 plus 2 is called as 4. And 3 plus 3 is called what? 6. And here also I'm going to say access is equal to 1, which is going to give you this is 6 and this is going to be 6. I think it is clear for 1D. Let me go to the 2D. Let me go to the 2D. Now, no question of confusing here. Go to the place. Here I am writing add one more value called 4. Add one more value called 4. Add one more value called 4. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. And don't think too much about it. It is so easy to understand. So first of all, keep a comment for both of them. Here I'm going to get it. First, let me show you up to here. What will be the answers you are expecting? This is one matrix. This is one matrix. So I'm going to explain the resultant one I'm going to say. What is the resultant one I'm going to say? 1 plus 1, it is called 2. And 3 plus 3, it is called what? 6. Next is called 2 plus 2 is called what? 4. And 4 plus 4 is called what? 8. This is something like equal to like a, come on, add. So it is doing what? Element wise addition. Element wise addition. Even in some case also, depends on the axis, you will get this type of result. One more result will be there. What is that result? Come on. 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. Let me show you this part first. Remove this. Where is an access value? I'm going to write it. Here the value C is printing now. C is printing. Already access is equal to 1. I mentioned it. Try to follow. What is the answer is coming? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. What is that? 4. And 2 plus 4. 6. 1 plus 3. 4. 2 plus 3. 4. 6. This is known as what? Come on. Column sum. Which sum it is? Column sum. This is called column sum. Next I will go to here. Next I will go to here. Here axis is equal to 1 represents what here? Columns. Columns. And already in our previous classes, there was axis is equal to 1 kind of situation was already completed. Now go to the next. Go to the next. Which sum we are going to apply? Axis is equal to 0. Represents what here? Rows. Online students. So here I'm going to take up, start with 1 plus 1 is called 2. Next, 2 plus 2 is called what? 4. Next, 3 plus 3 is called what? 6. And next, 4 plus 4 is called what? 8. This is something like looking like a add. Are you following me? This is looking like an add. So here, axis is equal to 0 represents what? Rows. Axis is equal to 1 represents columns. So this is going to be the sum as well as what? Add. Is it clear about it? Next. So add will give you what? Two values will be added, element wise will be done. But summation will be going to be group of values will be one sum, another group of values will be one sum. If you go for representing both of them, both sum will become the total sum. Your external marks plus mid marks will become total marks. Mid marks adding, external marks adding is which type? Summation, adding a summation. Adding mid marks plus external marks is also called total marks. That is summation only. Are you getting me? Right. Now I am going to enter into the, this is called a sum and add. And take one example like this and try to practice it. Next I will go for cumulative sum. I will go for it. Cumulative sum. Online students, is it clear up to here? Addition as well as what? What add function is doing, you know. What add function is doing, you know. What sum function is doing, you know. You got it. Next I am entering into cumulative sum. I am going to enter cumulative sum. That is also cumulative sum. Already in our beginning days, if you remember it, we are taking a list of values. We added all of them or not. What is that is called? Summation. 10, 20, 30, 40. S is equal to 0 we took now. S plus value, S plus value, S plus value. What is that answer is? Summation. Adding two values is called simply addition. 2 plus 3, addition. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Summation. Simple. Don't think too much about it. Go to what? Cumulative sum. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. What is the cumulative sum? It is 1 only. 1 plus 2, 3. Come on. Next 3. 3 plus previous elements. What is that? 6. Next 4 with the previous elements. 10. Next 15. This is comes under what? Cumulative sum. So 1 is added with whom? 0. This one is added with who? 0. So 1, 3, 6, 10. Because this type of implementation is very important. Directly they will give you these answers like what you know, 10, 10 or 20, 30 and 40. They will give like this. They will expect it. expected answer. Given in online students, you please hold on. If any doubts are there, I will answer all your doubts. Because in the middle, if you take it, it disturbs my flow. All of you try to follow me. At the end, I'm talking to you every day. That time you utilize my opportunity. So let me explain. Don't disturb my flow. Come on, expected. This is an input. Expected output will be 10, 30, and next is 60, and next is 100. They will expect like this. And you have to understand this number series here. This is the given list, and they are expecting to be this one. And obviously, once you are having the cumulative sum idea, you will get the thought automatically. This is the 30, and this 10, 20, 30 is called 60. 10, 20, 30, 40 is called what? So instead of writing a big Python code, simply I will call which function? Cumulative sum I can call. Shall I go to the cumulative sum? Right. So what is the cumulative sum of -1, -2, -3? Answer me. Start. -1. Come on. -3. Come on. -6. Okay. Easy. Go to the next. NumPy summation here. NumPy cumulative sum I will take it. NumPy cumulative sum I will take it. So here I am writing cumulative summation I will take it. Cumulative sum. So I'm going to take it. A is equal to take this data as this you take it. This data you take it. So I'm going to apply here in this place, right? So content of a value you take it. What happens? So here you go for it. Cumulative sum. It was deleted by mistake. So go to the place. Here you carry this data. Content of a. Done. Now I want to find the cumulative sum. So CS is equal to np dot cum of what? A. So print of what is this now? Cumulative sum. So is equal to, I'm going to write it what? Print of what? CS. This is also called one type of ND array only, students. It is also called one type of ND array. Start the flow. Already you know 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 3 plus 4, like this. Okay, now got it. So I'm going to take it here. I'm going to take up -1, -2, -3, -4. Something like that. If you take it, you are going to get the same type of answer. Are you getting it? Right. Now I'm going to enter into the next important point I'm going to explain. Online students, careful. Go to this part. I'm going to take it. Cumulative sum 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to write it. In this case, reshape of what? 1, 2, comma 2. 2, comma 2. I'm going to take it. Please look at that. What is the answer? Come on, same. 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 10. This is a normal as usual. Now I am going to write it. Come on. Axis is equal to what? 0. Axis is equal to 0. Take care about it. Now I am going to write it. Start with. Come on. 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 2, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. This deals with what? Axis is equal to 0 represents what? Columns. As I was mentioned it, axis is equal to 0. Come on. Here what is an answer? 1 plus 2. See the answer. Change avale. Axis is equal to 0. Earlier is what? Sum function. It is called what? Cumulative sum. Earlier is what? Sum of a comma b. Yesterday, what is an access? Today is not going to be the same access in this concept. Actually, they need to give what? Same type of operation for all the times. But they are giving what? Different type of functionality. We have to learn in the same process only. We cannot apply access is equal to 0 in all the times what? Rows only. We have to go for it. See that answer, what is coming. This row you, this column you take it. This column if you take it. What is the value coming? 1. What is this 4 actually? Is it a previous column sum or not? 1 plus 3. What is this 1 plus 3 is called a column or row now? Column. So column. Next is called what? 2. 2 plus 4 is called what? 6. What is that is called? In the cumulative sum, what is the access is equal to 0 says columns. Columns. So continuous practice, continuous formulas recording, it will give you knowledge. And one time if you learn it in another time, you cannot carry the same access is equal to 0 rows, columns that will differ from one concept to another concept. During the sorting time only, I mentioned this point. Okay, now, shall I move to the further? Let's go to the next. Next, cumulative sum. For what? Access is equal to 1. Access is equal to 1. So represents what here? So see the answer now. What we are going to get it. Start. This is 1, 2. What is the value here? 1. 1 plus 2, 3. What is this now? 3. 3 plus 4, 7. This is called what? Cumulative sum on 2D. Actually, cumulative sums will come on 1D maximum times. Even in agentic AI, LLM learning process, even in data science level, in many of the occasions, cumulative sum will be coming on group of values. Group of values are nothing but what? 1D only. Even there is a 3 by 3, 4 by 4, any number of things are there. We will flatten the list. Do you know how to flatten? How do you flatten? A dot shape is equal to length comma, I will write it. Number of elements comma. On that we will find what? Cumulative elements. Are you following? So this is related to which concept? Cumulative sum. How many varieties of sums are there in front of you? Number 1, adding. Number 2, sum. Number, right, adding will be done 1D, 2D. Which adding? Element wise addition. Sum is going to be called what? Two varieties. Access based sum is there. Access based sum is there. 1D based sum is there. 1D no access required. 2D when you come, access based. If you practice it, you have seen that summation. Next is called what? Cumulative sum. What is the cumulative sum? Adding the successive elements with the previous elements. That is called cumulative sum. Are you getting me? Yes. Next, I will go for what? NumPy product. What is already available? Multiply. Multiply will multiply how many elements? Two elements. Like add. What product will do? Group of numbers multiplication is called what? Product. What is multiply will do? Two elements multiplication. What PROD will do? Group of elements product. And cumulative product will do what? Instead of a plus, we will do what? Addition we will do. No more confusion. Shall I go to the example? Yes. Be careful about the access again. Be careful about the access again. Online students. This is about NumPy summation. Carry out. Go to this place. Because during this explanation, definitely there is a confusion about the access. Because KVR did not design this. Already it is there. We need to learn that process. You have to follow me. So I'm going to take up NumPy product. NumPy product. So by feeling you are feeling difficult, I don't want to skip this topic because compulsory these functions will come in front of you. Universal functions compulsory they will ask you. 100% they will ask you. And if you don't remember discrete functions, set operations, LCM, GCD, these kind of functions, it is going to be a failure story only. That's why I try to understand. Let me get some elements here, get the data. Here I'm going to take it, take these elements, easy for you. Go to this NumPy, what operations? product, NumPy product. Here I'm going to take NumPy product, content of A. Here I'm going to write what? Multiply. Already you learned multiply or not? Multiply will give you which elements? Multiply will give you which elements, students? Will give you which elements? Element wise multiplication or not? Yes, element wise multiplication it will give you. So coming to the point back, here I'm going to write multiply of AB. What will be the answer comes? Tell me. Can you expect it? Multiplication of multiplication multiplication of A and B, which is going to give you what data? Come on. That is called what? Element wise multiplication. After seeing the answer, you are getting result before that also. Huh? Are you sure? I doubt it. I doubtful about it. Girls, before, after the answer you are getting or before also? Element wise addition, element wise multiplication. Okay. Next, go to, and I already said to you, element wise multiplication also I said, dot product also I said, matmal also said with the calculation and everything. So our interest is very simple. Go to the next 2D ke వెళ్ళిపోతాను 2D. I will go to the 2D. So 234 dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. Here also comma 4 dot reshape of 2 comma 2. And see the multiplication also. Already you know very well. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. This is called what? Element wise multiplication that we already done. Even star A star B also you can say the same answer. This point was very clear in the matrix operation time only. Now our main basic criteria is about what? Product. I need to go for the product. Let's start. That is my main concern here. So let's go to that. I'm going to write it product. So I'm going to write it product. Just PROD. Yes, PROD. Just I'm writing product of. Product of. So there I'm going to write it. See that syntax error. Sum of. Did you remember how I was written? Oddu. Come on, come on. Here I'm going to write it. Here sum of. How I add of. I wrote like this. Sum of. Add of. I wrote like this. Sum of. How I was written? In the brace. Here also. Product of. You need to write like this. Okay. Are you getting it? So that is nothing but it is taking a product will take a single element. In the single place, there will be multiple elements. That is something like a product of two things here. Just to try to understand what will be the product of it. 1, 2, 3. What is the product? 6. What is the 1, 2, 3 product? Earlier, how much was the sum? 6. Earlier, how much was the sum? 6. 6 plus 6, we got 12 now. Today, this is called what here? 6. This is a 6. What is the operation? Product. That is going to be called what? 36. This is known as what? Product. Group of values multiplication is called product. Two values multiplying is called multiplication. Okay now. So when you go for what is the difference between star, multiply, and a product, PROD, and a dot, what is the difference between that? As a Pythonist, you need to have the complete clarity about it. It will multiply two values. It will multiply two values. And this will go for multiplying group of values. This will go for actual matrix multiplication. First row multiplied with all columns. Second row multiplied with all columns. Like that, every row multiplied with all the columns. That is called which concept? Product of it. I think dot product, matmal, this is about the concept of what? Product. Let us go to the concept of what? 2D. 2D. comma what? 4, comma 4 I will write it, dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. Here I am going to write it, reshape of 2 comma 2. Be careful about it. Product I am writing, carefully follow. I did not mention the axis. What will be the product? Try to understand it. What will be the product of it? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the answer is coming? Come on. 24. 24. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 24. What is this now? Also 24. 24, 24 is going to be 576. 576. Go to your Python. Go to your Python. Here if you go to it, it is going to be 24 star star 2. 24 star star 2. It's going to be star star 2 is another one, 24 square. So it is going to be like this. Are you following me? Now, be careful. This is an important here. All the values will be product is coming. Here I'm going to give you axis. I'm going to pass students. Axis is equal to what? 0. Axis is equal to 0. See what is happening here. What is happening here? Quickly. 3 into 3 is called what? 9. 4 into 4 is called what? 16. This is something like a multiply of two matrices. Multiply of two matrices. Is it looking like a element wise matrix multiplication or not? Yes. What is this? Axis is equal to 0 says. Come on. Rows or columns? Right. Good. Let me go for axis is equal to 1 once. Axis is equal to 1 once. No more confusion. Try to have some clarity. So there you start with. What is this now? 1 into 3. What is this? 3. Next, 2 into 4. What is that? 8. 1 into 3 is called what? 3. 2 into 4 is called what? 8. What is considered here? Columns is considered. Each column value multiplied or not? This is called what here? Columns. So I will carry here. Here I will carry here. This axis is equal to 1. Here, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. Represents, come on, column product. This is axis is equal to 1. And earlier one is going to be known as row. This is called row. So coming to the point back, row. Are you following me? So next I will go to which kind of product? Cumulative product I will go for it. Cumulative product. So multiplication. This is called multiplication. Next is called what? Multiply of 2D things. And then product of the entire values. Next, axis wise product we found. Next, I'm going to take it a cumulative product. Let us go to the cumulative product. Carry the first value. I will take one element only. I will take it first. So coming to this place, cumulative product. So I'm going to take it cumulative product. So there I will take this data. CUMPROD. CUMPROD of what? A. A. So content of A, cumulative multiplication. Cumulative product of what? Elements of A. Elements of A. So that is going to be called C. What is the answer now? So 1 to 6. Come on, start with. What is that now? 1. 1 into 1 is previous. 1 into 1 is 1. Next, 2 into 1 is called what? 2. Next, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1 is called what? 1 to 6. This is called what? Cumulative product. Straightforward. Come on, fast. Yes. Next, I will go to, this is called 4, for example. What is the cumulative product? Same, up to 6. 6 into 4, it is called 24. It is called cumulative product. Next, another one, I will take it in the form of what? 2D. Dot reshape of 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Here I am not going to mention any axis. What will be the values which will be coming? You see. What will be the values are coming? 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is called 24. Are you following me? Oh, 1 into 1, 1. Next 2, 2 into 1 is called what? 2. Next 3, 3 into 2 into 1. It is called a 6. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is called looking like a 1D only, flattening and then doing the cumulative sum. Right. Go to the next one. I will go for axis mentioning now. Axis. So axis is equal to what? 0. Axis is equal to 0. Take care. Here I am going to write it. Start doing that. Come on. 1, 1. Cumulative column I am doing. 1. 1 into 3. 3. 2. As it is 2. 4 into 2. 8. Come on, come on. Again. Cumulative columns. Columns means this will be taken. This will be taken. What is that one is coming? First column as this will come. 1 into 3. 3. This column. 2. 2 into 4. 8. Okay. Next. Next. This is here. Axis is equal to 0. Represents. Right. Go to this place. Next I will take it. Here I am going to enter into this. Is equal to 1. This is going to be. Voice is not audible. Rina. Voice is not audible. Is my voice is clear? Voice is clear now. Right. It's clear only. So take care. Now come on, start with axis is equal to 1. Represents what? Come on. Close. Start with here. This row you consider. What is that? 1. 1 into 2. 2. This row 3. 3 into 4. 12. And don't consider 1 into 2 and this is a row I am considering. Don't take this as a columns. And don't prepare your own Python. Okay. You try to prepare according to this. Getting me? Let me go to one big matrix. One 5, 6 I will take it. 5, 6 I will take it. Comma 5, comma 6. I will take it as what? 3, comma 2 I will take it. 3, comma 2. What is an axis is equal to? 0. Try to start here. Change it. 1. 1 into 3. 3. 5 into 3 into 1. 15. 5 into 3 into 1. What is the answer? 15. Come on, next column. Next column. What is this now? 2. 2 into 4. 8. 6 into 4. 24. 24 into 2. 48. This is called what? Product of columns. Go to next one. Here. I'll change my things here. 2, comma 3. For more calculation part. Next says what? 1. Says what here? Start here. So all of you. This is called 1, 2, 3. 1 here. 1 into 2. 2. 1 into 2 into 3. 6. Next 4, 5, 6. 4. 4 into 5. 20. 4 into 5 into 6. 120. Are you okay? So this is about cumulative product of axis. Cumulative product. It is not a rocket science. It is after all product what you learned in childhood days. But only thing is different varieties of products are coming. If I say only multiply and a dot, you are happy. You will feel that okay, I understood. But if tomorrow if you go to an interview, sum will come, cumulative sum will come, add will come. That time before going to place their difficulty, you try to learn here only. Multiply will come, product will come, cumulative product will come. If you spend 2 hours on this area, you will become perfect. And read the same thing multiple times in a day, you will remember. Okay now? Once, fast. Right, girls, are you okay, ma? Right. Now I will move to the next. This is about the cumulative product. Online students, respond it. So this is clear, I hope so. Practice it. Once you practice it, it will be more clear for you. Next, I will go for what? Decimals. Decimals, I will go for it. Now I am entering into NumPy decimals. This is so easy for you. Go to Python for 2 minutes. Go to Python for 2 minutes. A is equal to 2.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Print of what? A. It is going to come. Okay now? Now I want to round it. I want to round it. Suppose I want to take only 2. I want to take only 2. I will convert into which type? Into type. Into type. Typecasting. Already typecasting explained now. What is the value come? 2 will come. Clear? That is called a truncating, we can call. What is that? Truncating. Truncating means removing what? Decimals. That is called a truncating or fixed value. Next, I want to, students, this is the open secret of yours. 2.3, for example, 2.3, when I am printing percentage F, percentage F, in our Python classes, in the beginning of the stages only print varieties of format specifiers, I said. Percent of what? A. It will print 2.2.3 and how many zeros will be placed, ma? 5 zeros will be placed. Actually, after the dot, by default, Python environment will place 6 decimals. 6 decimals it will print. One decimal value already there. It will print how many zeros here? 5 zeros will be placing. See that, first of all, it is going to print 5 zeros are printed. If I want, I can print 10 zeros also, no problem. How do you print, students? 0.10. I can print 10 zeros also. This is the syntax in the print statement, varieties of syntaxes. In the day 1, day 10, day 4, day 5 places we are coming across. Print related syntax. Now if I want, I can print only 3 decimals also I can print. Like this. So how many number of decimals are there? You can print it. And at the same time, I was explained which function, round function also I was explained it. Round function 0.2f, 0.3f are nothing but what? Rounding of the decimal places. Are you following? So let me go to that. This example, I want to take it. Carry this example. Clear off. Take A is equal to this answer you see. I want to round this value for 2 decimals. 2 decimals and 3, 4. I want to go for 3, 4. When I'm going to round for 2 decimals, PVM will check for what? Third decimal. Third decimal is 5 or more. I said what? The second decimal will be added by 1. Added by? So what will be the answer will come? Print of percentage 0.2f, 0.2f, percent of what? A. How many decimals you want to round off? 2. It will consider what? Third decimal value. What is the third decimal value? 5 and above. And greater than or equal to 5. It is satisfied, right? And immediately when it is greater than or equal to 5, the second value will be incremented by 1. So what is the answer is coming? 2.35. Tell Sayadi? Right, that you know. Next student, for example, 3.344 like that I am having. Like that I have. Now you say 0.2 f only. What is this now? 2 decimals only I want to consider. Is it more than or equal to 5? No. It is going to be what is an answer? It is not incrementing anything. It is 0.34 only. Okay now. This is not a big science. It is a very simple. This we said beginning only. This is by using 0.2 f. Similarly, go to the same value again. This only you take it. I am writing round off Python function a comma 2, a comma 2. Round the a value with how many decimals? Round function also will consider what? Third decimal. What is the third decimal? Sleeping. Hmm? Listen, ma. So what is this now? 5. 5. 5. It is called what? Greater than or equal to 5. Which is going to be called what? 3, 5. This was explained very long back itself. You take this data, you take this data. Here also I am going to apply. See this. What is happening? Same thing. Today, what is my function called? Around will do that. Already we used in our class also. Trunc and fix will do what? Eliminating which values? Decimal value. It will print only integer value. Suppose if I am having 3.61666 like that, it will go for trunc or fix. It will print 3 point. That's all. That means it will not print what value? Right. If I apply the a round of two decimals, it will print what? 3.17 because it is having more than or equal to 5 or not. Yes. Next, floor. What is the meaning of floor? Nearest to lowest value. Are you floora, skya? మీకు ఏది దగ్గర ఉంటుంది? Floora, skya? Floor means what? Nearest to lowest value. Seal అంటే ఏంటి? Seal means top. Nearest highest value. Spell out. Now I am going to take it floor. Floor I am going to take it. Suppose 3.99. 3.99. What is the nearest floor value? 4. మీరంతా ఎక్కడో చదివి వచ్చారు మొత్తం అంతా. ఏ యూనివర్సిటీలో చదివారో తెలియదు నాకు. ఓకే. 3.99. What is the nearest lowest value? 3 or 2? Muddu. So this is the value called what? 3.99. Nearest lowest value is a 3 na 3 2 now. Suppose 2. Nearest lowest value 2 adi. So 3.99 nearest lowest value 3. Are you sure? Okay. Next, minus 3.166. What is the nearest lowest value? Muddu minus 4. మీరు ఏం రాదు మీకు అసలు మళ్ళీ సరే ఇక్కడికి అంత బ్యాగులు వేసుకొని -4 చూడండి సరే -4 ఫస్ట్ స్కేల్ తీసుకోండి స్కేల్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ 0 1 2 3 4 వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ నౌ -1 -2 -3 -4 -3 -5 like this you take it. What is my value? I said minus 3.66. What is the nearest lowest value? మరి అంతే కదా 3.66 nearest lowest value. 3.66 nearest lowest value. 3 of 2 of still 3 only. Okay. So come on. Floor value you know. Floor value you know. What is the floor value? Answer you tell me first. Nearest lowest value. Later I will take it. First you remember that. What is the seal? 3.5. Seal, that is called what? Seal, that is. Floor. What is the floor? 3. Okay. So 3.0 nearest lowest value 3. Nearest highest value 3. 3 only. Okay. We'll check it out. Now answer you tell me. What is the floor? Nearest lowest value. Seal. A round. Rounding of decimal value. When you are taking nth decimal to round it, it will consider n plus 1 digit. If it is more than or equal to 5, the nth decimal will be incremented by what? Trunc or fix will eliminate. Shall I go to the example? So these are useful to you when you are going for biggest calculation time. This decimals rounding is important. Shall I go? Yes. Online students, let us go to the next one. We'll go for NumPy decimals. NumPy decimals. NumPy decimals. So here I will go to import NumPy decimals here. So A is the import NumPy as NP. A is equal to np.array of 2.3456, 3.166 and 5.6614. Like this I'm having. Content of A. Original content of A. I am writing print of A. So original content of A. That is the print of A. So it is printed as this. Now I'm going to take it what? B is equal to, come on, np dot, what is the function name? Trunc of, what is that now? A. Next, here I'm going to write it, original content of A with the truncation. So I'm going to write it, print of what? B comma type of B, type of B. See the answer now, 2 point, 3 point, and then what? 5 point, which is going to give you the data in the form of ND array only, which is going to eliminate what? Decimal places. So next go to which kind of thing? Fix. Fix. Look at that with the fix. Fix. I'm going to take it. So you see that it is going to be having what? Same. Same. Trunc or fix is going to contain the same thing. Good. Let us go to that. Now I'm going to get it around, which is very simple for you. Go to the same. Here I will take it. Here I'm going to take it. Try to answer it. This is content of it. A round of A comma what? 2. So I'm going to write it. Okay. So 3.44. 44 means what? 34. What is the next value? 4. What is the first answer you are getting here? 2 point. Next 3 point. Very good. Next 5.6. 6 7. 7 చెప్తున్నారు ఎవరో ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడే ఉంచాడు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నుంచి ఎవరు సో ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదమ్మా when I'm going to round it here it will consider 1 or not. Is it more than or equal to 5 or less than 5? So see that now 3 point what 14, 3 point what 17. This is 5 point what 66. Are you following? Right, good. Next I will go to around function. You got it. Now I will go to the next. What is the next function? Floor function. Your favorite answer is going to come. So coming to this place, floor. So I'm going to apply floor function. Be careful, floor. So 2.3, 2.3 and 3.1 and 5.0, 3.2.9, 3.1, 5.0. Floor. What is the value? No, slowly tell me. What is the answer? Next, 5. So see that. What is the answer came? Returns an array must be of which type? Array type. Comma 2, I should not write it. Start with. What is the value? Nearest lowest value 2. 3.1, 3, 5, 5. Okay. That is okay. Good. Now let us move to the next one. Minus 2.9 minus 3.1 minus 5.0 minus 2.9. Are you sure? Minus 2.9 is bigger, minus 3.1 is bigger. Minus bigger. Sure. Okay. Minus 3.1 minus, sure. Minus 5.0 minus, minus 5 or minus 4? Minus 5. Okay. Doubtfully, they are looking my face feelings also. Sir, ఎలా ఉన్నాడు? Minus 4 లాగా ఉన్నాడా? Minus 5 లాగా ఉన్నాడు? Don't study this. Right? Good. So having good knowledge on mathematics, because the scaling is important. The scale will give you clarity. The scaling will give you clarity. Okay. Anyhow, good. So minus 5 is something like this. So this decimals, got it. Only your face was little dull at the time of cumulative sum, cumulative product with access. When access is coming, the tension is coming in your brain. I observed it. Because I cannot do anything. This is designed by somebody. We need to learn it. Tension. So anyhow, is it clear? Similarly, go to what next? Ceil. Function called ceil. So go to the place. Ceil. This is not, this is with a floor. With a floor. Floor means what? Nearest, nearest lowest value. Nearest lowest value. Okay. This is the nearest lowest value. This is with a ceil. Ceil. That is known as what? Nearest highest value. Nearest highest value. Ceil I am going to take. Okay. Minus 2.9. Minus 2.9. Minus, minus 2. Sure. Or minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3.1. Huh? Okay. Minus 5.0. Minus. Okay. Chana confident another. Right. Done. So got it. So this is about one decimal values are there and one fixed value with that, and you got it. This is about which type of values? Trunc off, fix off, round off, floor off, seal off. So any type of requirements are coming on decimals, I will use this type. Okay now? Right, online students, is it clear about it? Respond it. Now I'm going to take up about what? Arithmetic. NumPy arithmetic. There are add is there, subtract is there, multiply is there, many more are there. But I'm going to give you what? Div, mod and absolute. Even the notes I'm going to post to you. Just 1 minute I will open arithmetic. I'll show you that. I'm not writing completely students. Universal functions, simple arithmetic operations I will go. Simple arithmetic operations. If you come, add is already done or not. Next, subtraction also done. Subtract already done. I need not to give you. Multiply also done. Division also done. Divide I applied it. Next, one more is power of also done. Now extra we are going to get modulus, that is going to give you remainders will be giving. There is a function name called what again? Remainder is available. What is the function name? Remainder. Remainder is also one type of function. Remainder is also one type of function. One more is I want to get it what? Coefficient and modulus remainders I want to get. What is the function name? Div mod. Div mod. Shall we go for this div mod? And one more function is called what? Remainder. That is nothing but our, this will be coming. This remainders will come. I will show you that. One more is called what? Absolute. What is an absolute value of minus 1? 1. Minus 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 4 is also called 4. Any negative value will be coming. That is absolute value will be coming. For example, you see during our variance calculation, I calculated something. Absolute value of, I said, xi minus what? M whole square I said. Did you remember? What is an xi? 0.5 minus 2.5. or something like 2.5. What is the answer is coming actually? Minus, come on, 1.5 minus, this is minus 2. Minus 2, we got it or not? Minus 2 absolute is called what? 2. So 2, of course, when you are doing minus 2 whole square is nothing but what? Minus minus multiplied is absolute value only will be taken. If at all anywhere else absolute values are coming, I will call it as what? Absolute function. So what are the new functions here? Remainder of, div mod of, absolute of. Rest of the functions add, multiply, everything is done. Even I am going to post the same notes for you. So let us go to this place. I will take some data here. Some values I will take it. So take this example here. Some examples already available here. So take this data. Anyone, this data you take it. Try to apply. Arithmetic operations I will take. So here NumPy, arithmetic, simple arithmetic operations. So there I will take it. Go to this place. Uh, Go to the place, import NumPy as np. Start with remainders is equal to, come on, np dot remainder of arr1 comma arr2. What is the answers will be coming? 10, 3. One entry I will show. 3 3s are 9. It is called 1. In the remainder, what is recorded? 1. Next, 7 and 20 and 7, 6. Next, 30 and 9, 1, 3. Next, 0. Next, 0. Next, 20. Sure, right. So I'm believing you and I'm moving forward. Right? Some number will be coming. So that you try to follow. That will written here. So print of, what is this now? Remainders. So remainders. So coming to this place and print here rem comma type of rem. This is also called an ND array only. Type of this one. So also gives you the same kind of answers. Are you following? A list of remainders are coming. Even you can go for obtaining by using what also? You see that mod we applied it. Did you remember that mod? So that also will give you what? Same answer. So extra function is called remainders. Right, go. Next I will go for what? Div mod I want to get it. Div mod. That will give you two ND array objects will come, students. Div mod. Div mod is going to get what? Coefficients plus what? Remainders. QR. Both of them I am going to get it. Coefficients plus remainders, both of them are going to get it. So coefficients and remainders I am going to write it. Coefficients and remainders I am going to write it. So how do you go for this? You try to see. It is going to keep it. Try to run. And first entry I will show you 10 and what? 3. So as I said to you already, 9, it is called 1. First what will come? 3 and next is called what? These are all called what? Coefficient list. And this is called remainders. Next what is this now? Come on. Come on. 2, 6. Next 3. Come on. 3. Next 5, 0. 0. Next 25, 0. Next 1, 27. What these are all called? Coefficients. What these are all called? Remainders. This is going to be coming in the form of like this. So this index is called what? 0th index. This is called what? First index. Okay. Right. Look at that. So first I will go for QR. Later I will separate them. QR and a type of QR. QR and type of QR. Type of QR. So I got it. Are you following me? So this is called remainders. These are all coefficients, and these are all called what? Remainders. In other words, if you want, I will write it coefficients and remainders. Print print of. So I'll go for only coefficients. If you want to get it, you can say is equal to, come on, QR of 0. QR of 0. Next I will go to what? Remainders. Remainders I will go for it. Remainders I will go for it. This is called what? 1. So this is called 1. Are you getting it or not? So this is a complete array. Either you want to go to that fashion or this way you can go for it. This is about the subject of what? This is about the subject of cumulative, remainder, divmod. And next I will go to what function? Absolute. Absolute I want to take it. So go to the absolute functions. So I will take this simple array. One array you take it. So I'm going to take it minus 20, minus 20, minus 40, minus 40.5, minus 4.5, something like minus 60. Like that you try to take it. Take one array, given array you take it, original array, print of original array, original array. Next is print of what ARR1. Next, absolute values is equal to, come on, np dot absolute of ARR1, ARR1. So I will go to original array with absolute, original array with what? Absolute, absolute values. So print of what? AV comma type of what? AV. So double quotes here, remove AV comma type of AV. So there you are going to get it. The complete positive value, minus 20 will be like this. These are all values are going to come. All negative values are coming to what? Positive format. So it is very simple. So I need not to talk about add, all those things multiple times we spoke about it. Are you following? There is one more small topic I want to introduce, and it is not a big deal. Students, you come to it, one small point I want to check. It's a miscellaneous part of it. So students, I want to create ND array with a matrix operation. So create a matrix with three rows, three rows and four columns. Four columns. A is equal to import NumPy as NP with random values. With what values? Random values. Do you know how to create? Yes, NP dot random dot randint of some 10 comma 20, some 10 comma 30 comma what? Size is equal to 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. So elements, that is called matrix. Matrix, that is one matrix I'm building. Print of A and type of A. This part already we are very familiar with. This is my data, random values are there. Now I want to transpose this. Some students are asking, because in meantime I will discuss all those things. As array I will discuss, as type I will discuss. So many things I will discuss. So I have certain plan of action for it. So this I want to get transpose of it. Get transpose. So what is meant by transpose? Transpose of the above matrix. You already learned in our school days. Rows becomes columns, columns becomes rows. So that will be done by A is equal to, come on, np dot transpose of A, transpose of A. So transpose of A. That I'm going to keep it in where itself? A itself. Print of what? A. Print of A. If I write only like this, if I write only like that, you are going to get what? అక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏం చూస్తారు? So this is going to become what? Columns. This row becomes what? Columns. This row becomes what? Columns. But if I print original A, it is printing old data only. It will print what data only? Old data only printed. So it is not becoming in place. Reflection is not there. So I need to write what? A is equal to, A is equal to, I need to write. And moreover, I want to print. Here I would like to write shape is equal to, shape is equal to A dot what? Shape. So you got it. Now I am transpose this one. So got it. And you print it. Here only I want to print it. So here I will print of what is this matrix? Transposed matrix. Transposed matrix. So there I will print of A, and next is called a shape of A. Shape of shape is equal to what? A dot shape. So definitely earlier it was 3 comma 4. Now it is becoming 4 comma. So extra. So we are going to have A. It is going to be 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 here also. 1 minute. Right. Are you following? But cell I did not execute, students. So come to the point of it. Are you following me? So now I will go to what is this matrix now? 12 elements are there. One. So now I will go to what is my another type of transposed matrix? This is the one. Suppose I will take it A dot shape is equal to 12 elements now. 6 comma 2 I am going to save. 6 comma 2. Print of this A. Print of this A. What happens? A dot shape is equal to total how many elements? 12. 6 comma 2. Incompatible per in type modification. Print of A. Okay. A dot. A dot. Attribute. Reshape. Make a copy of it. Okay. I'm trying to do with a shape attribute. After this one, 4 comma 6 comma 2. 6 comma 2. Print of what? A. So you are going to get. Again, I want to get transpose. What should I do? This I need to go for like this. This I need to go like this. How do you do that? A dot transpose. 6 rows will become what? 6 columns. 2 rows will become, 2 columns will become. So this is the one, this part. That is one function called transpose. There is one more concept, one more is there to get the transpose of it. There is one attribute is present. Look at that. Or the other way. Other way. So this is a given matrix, students. This is a given matrix. To get the transpose, to get transpose of a matrix, transpose of a matrix, we use we use an attribute, we use an attribute T. Letter called what? T. What is the syntax? Nd array object dot nd array object dot what? T. T. Start. A dot what? T. A dot T. What is A? Nd array dot T. So it is going to print what? Come on. What is this is printed? 27, 18, etc. Is it becoming column or not? Like this. So if I print original A, it is going to print original data only. So to do the permanent modification, what should I do? A dot T and print of A, print of A, print of A. Print of what? A dot shape. A dot shape. Are you getting or not? Yes. So how many ways are there to get a transpose? Come on. One is అట్లా చెప్పకూడదు బాబు మొద్దు. np dot numpy dot transpose of nd array. ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ గిన్స్పోజ్ అట్లా కాదు. np numpy dot transpose of nd array or nd array object dot t. T stands for your favorite answer because you are already gold medalist. I need not to tell you that. Simple, easy. Can you convert row into column? How? By using transpose. Can you convert column into row? By using. That's all. These questions will be coming. So you need to have full functions. If you know, it is easy for you to get it. Okay now? So will you remember all these functions from day one onwards, what I taught up to here? Huh? Who is remembering? Raise your hands. Can I send you mic here? Can I send you mic? Girls, can I send you mic? No? Mm. So you cannot. So anyhow, try to do. I am having one small cheat code sheet is there. I'll be giving that. Complete formulas are there. Even so many formulas are there. What are the frequently asked formulas that I'm going to send? Next, after that, one more class. I will take it. NumPy with files. NumPy with files. Which files? Flat files I will take. CSV files I will take. నేను skip చేసి pandas వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. I can go to pandas. Tomorrow you will get what is NPY files they will ask you. In image processing, you will get it in data science. Open CV module, that time you will get this files. So let me teach everything. Okay. Any hurry? No. So you'll be here only. So there is no hurry. Let me teach everything. Then we can go for it. Then we can go for it. Okay. Tomorrow you will go for what? NumPy with files. Text files I'll speak. NP file I will speak. NPY dot NPY dot NPY and CSV file also will speak. Don't miss tomorrow class. Okay. Right. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. Online students, if any doubts are there, you hold on. I'll clarify your doubts. Ma?